Signal was detected the weather radio station WXJ 93 Ohio public warning system. During potentially dangerous weather situations, specially built receivers can be automatically activated by the signal to warn of the impending hazard. Tests of the signal and receiver's performance are normally conducted by the National Weather Service between 11 a.m. and noon each Wednesday. If there is a threat of severe weather, the test will be postponed to the next available good weather day. Reception of this broadcast, and especially the warning alarm tone, will vary at any given location. This variability, normally more noticeable at greater distances from the transmitter, can occur even though you are using a good quality receiver in good working order. The warning alarm tone will be activated for hazardous watches and warnings for the following counties: Allen, Ogways, Good France, Hancock, Hardin, Logan, Mercer, Paulding, Putnam, Shelby, Van Wert, and Wyandotte. This concludes the weekly test of weather radio station WXJ 93 Cliversville, Ohio. This is a test of the weather radio warning alarm. During potentially severe weather, special receivers are activated to warn of the impending hazard. Tests for these receivers are normally conducted by the National Weather Service every Wednesday between 11 a.m. and noon. When there is a threat of severe weather on Wednesday, the test will be postponed until the first available good weather day. Reception of this broadcast and warning alarm will vary at any given location. This variability, normally more noticeable at greater distances from the transmitter, will occur even though you are using a good quality receiver in perfect working condition. The phone alert will be automatically activated for selected watches and warnings affecting the following counties: in Indiana, Porter, LaPorte, St. Joseph, Elkhart, LaGrange, Savannah, Stars, Marshall, Kosciuszko, Noble, DeKalb, Woodlake, Allen, Miami, Wabash, Huntington, Wells, Adams, Grant, Bradford, Glasgow, and Jay. In Ohio, Williams, Fulton, Miles, Henry, Paulding, and Van Wert. And in Michigan, Berrien, St. Joseph, Bradford, and Oakville. For more information, see our webpage at www.weather.gov/WX and click on Know Our Weather Radio under local information. We now return to regular programming. A chance of showers in the morning, and a chance of showers and thunderstorms in the afternoon.